Probably bonding with the kids.
Working with the kids.
They come to us more than just like a staff. It's more like a family here at the school.
That I get to play with a lot of people and a lot of friends of mine.
They laugh with me, and when we have everybody have fun in the after school.
Being able to be here every single day with the same kids and making like our own memories, our own inside jokes, learning about them, the way they think, it's amazing.
I like the parties we put together for like the different holidays and stuff. We really come together as a team, getting it together for the kids.
My best memory is playing with my friends and with the staff members.
The kids, we build like a community here, like a family, so some of the kids call us mom, and just coming in every single day to work and just hearing them call us mom and tell us how they had like a good day, I think it's just an ongoing memory that like I cherish a lot.
My two favorite staff members are Jackie and Caitlin.
Caitlin and Jackie. Caitlin. Caitlin.
Is Caitlin. She's my mom. She's my mom, but she's not really my mom. She's like very understanding and like she's like a really good person to talk to.
Because they're always looking out for me and doing a lot more stuff that encourages me to being good.
They always help me when I need it, and they always are there for me.
Yeah, the kids are funny. They're energetic. They're a lot. But yeah.
They always have like things after school for the kids, so it's cool to see that like a lot of parents, like kids who graduated like very long time ago, like still come and help out, and it's beautiful to see that the community is still very tight and the kids are actually like super excited to still come even after being here all day.
Get to play with a lot of new people.
My friends are here, and I also can play, and I can stay a little bit longer.
So I think that's why I love this school, is the fact that they still have a sense of community. It hasn't gone away.
You work with the kids for so long, you're like, what? You always wonder what happened to them, but they come back and visit, so you still see them. It's like a big family.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.